one of the things that I would like to hear is that the fuel companies were nationalised under democratic workers' control. I think it's something like 70% of the population would agree with nationalisation. To my way of thinking, that's the way to go. There's the big, Norman had said about Npower. I think there's also British Gas. They've paid the top 5 bosses 2.6 million, I think it is, in bonuses. Well, we're sitting with extra jumpers on, with hot water bottles, with blankets. It's mad. It's ludicrous.
Okay, the private sector, of course. Thank you very much indeed for talking to us. We'll keep in touch with you over the winter. Quick chat then with Maria Wardrobe. In terms of the campaigning that your organisation does, what's the most important thing? Again, what do you want from the Chancellor today?
What we want from the Chancellor, we're delighted with Monday's announcement that we're going to see this £50 reduction in consumers' bills. I know it's not a lot in terms of what Elaine and Norman have said, but it's a step in the right direction. The only way we're going to solve this problem of fuel poverty, though, is to have a national drive towards better energy efficiency standards. And we were just talking about, some of the costs of the programmes. People like Elaine and Norman can't afford the upfront costs for that themselves because they're very expensive. Well, we need to see government funding, a well-resourced programme to get energy efficiency standards much increased. We would like to see by 2020, if you think about a scale of A to G, we would like to see by 2020 all properties being a D. At the moment, 65% of low-income households live in an E, F and G rated property, and they're very cold and they're very, very difficult and very expensive to heat, as we've just heard.